Beside looking precisely like the new Auris, the 2019 Corolla Hatchback is fabricated utilizing a similar Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) that supports its European partner. Toyota guarantees that when matched with a game-tuned suspension, the lighter, stiffer TNGA stage makes the Corolla Hatchback more enjoyable to drive. It's additionally lower, more extensive, and longer than the Corolla IM it replaces. We wouldn't really call the new 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback beautiful, yet it's absolutely more alluring than the active IM. The headlights are more expressive, and the body lines have somewhat more character than previously. From the back, the precise taillights and awe-inspiring backside give Toyota's most recent Incubate a pleasant European look. The Corolla Hatchback gets its own rendition of the corporate Uber grille, and regardless, we see a touch of the Prius Prime in the front end. In the engine, the Corolla Hatchback avoids the turbo drift, and gets a 2.0-liter normally suctioned 4-barrel motor. Power and torque figures aren't yet accessible, however Toyota says it's more intense and fuel proficient than previously. The 2018 Corolla IM produces 137 HP and 126 pound-ft of torque. Indeed, even with more prominent relocation, the new Corolla Incubate's motor is littler, lighter, and more refined than the 1.8-liter it replaces. Power gets sent to the front wheels by means of a constantly factor transmission. Not at all like traditional CVTs, this one gets a first rigging to make low-speed driving smoother and more effective. A 6-speed manual is likewise accessible as an alternative. Standard security highlights incorporate programmed crisis braking with passerby location, versatile journey control, path takeoff cautioning, and path keep help. Similarly as with each of the 2019 models, a rear view camera comes standard too. Toyota still can't seem to report estimating, or a marked down date. However, more data might be accessible after the new Corolla Hatchback is formally uncovered at the New York Automobile Fair in the not-so-distant future.